I study human psychology in school, man.
Oh, your bar a day, my man so pay. Minimum air miensa, maximum air 12. Oh, your bar, na mema miensa so pay a day. U favor level kofo.
I'm oh God.
Let I say you do tia no binim.
You must get to this here. So your bar, na a day who pia bonting. Na a day, I mema miensa so pay. What I'm quite cast different miensa nina and so person more per number. U favor level ekofo.
Jimmy.
Me na make you play Jesus me pa. Nyankopon bo be mas won chase you ba. So if a man is not chasing you, trust me, there is a problem.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
I will never lie to you.
God have mercy upon us.
I will never lie to you. Awari fompo, omanam kwa hono mo sheka wa be matimi gina se wo pen number. Na wari ni na ka chese wonim se sheka wa wo. Na wa wo wari ya onam kwa. Can't you foresee say there is something wrong with you? So favor the free hope.
You are foolish, man. You are a froster. Oh, you're that daft. What are they patching? For Jimmy Koshefi.
Yourself the season.
Because why bring more from? Once I said this, I said I studied human psychology in school, man. I said I studied human psychology in school, man. I study human psychology. I know how to send you. I mean, you said about your Maya med bedding. Me said about your Jimmy Amame. Me madia me ya will be Jimmy Amame at home, Madia Mame. So I've been off one go school. What Jimmy? I have studied human psychology. That is why me ya love any petty me grouse. I told them boom for you. Me shana ni pana so tian must start telling you. Why does it baby no? What's your what? So one of them said it do. Now go for Jasso. You share the pakoro.
That you know the man for not gonna hear sound.
Equalization.
Where go page and say, hey,
I know people. I know how to handle people. And little bit my Ajagurajah movement 8 years now boys di mechisana. I feel Matthias yes.
There be a bomb pie Yankopon, so my minyansa me de betten kwasi afuase. O mama me bu amfu amfman konsohwem. Sanse kaso bi agimia ano hyechen dam.
I know people. I know how to handle people. And little bit my Ajagurajah movement 8 years now boys di mechisana.
You think you can play with the minds of the people? Some of us, we don't reason like the usual people. So you can play with the minds of certain people. And I keep on saying it. The very day that the people will understand what is going on around them, Ghana will know no peace. And you know, you know. This is how we say, Yamarapa, I said, Nissi one more buntu. Because when nipa subiani ni mu, when parameters, he is a narcissist.